Squishy Ducky here, and today we are doing the Chubby Bunny Challenge with Marshmallow, who's very got minis, the Haribo, so let's do this. Now they're this big. They're like what Evan Cube had, but also they had big ones, but they're all gone. Okay, so Chubby Bunny. 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 Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm moving them all to the side. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. That's it. I don't like marshmallows anymore for that. So that's the end. It's not been too long. It's only been 2 minutes. Really squishy. So sorry guys, but I'm gonna have to end it because that's the end, and I'm starting to not like chubby bunny things.